Hi, welcome to Everhot. I'm Graham, and in this film we're going to show you how to set the time on your Everhot cooker. Now, this procedure is common to every single cooker we make, from the 60 right up to the 150. Now, the time and the date will be set when you receive the cooker, but should you ever need to adjust it, you simply push and hold the Eco button for 3 seconds, and that will take you into the sub menu, which allows you to change the calendar or the Eco times. Well, we'd like to change the calendar, so we push the power button corresponding to the calendar. You can then cycle through the month, the day, the hour and the minute by using these buttons down here. So the up arrow takes you through to the month. It is August, but again, we can change that by using the up or down arrow. But we're happy it's August, so then we move on, and then you'll see the day comes up. And again, it's just the up and down arrows up here that change the day. As you can see, as you change the day down here changes as well. You can just forget about that. It just adjusts automatically. Then we've got the hour, so we're happy it's 2 o'clock, but again, if you want to change it, just the up or down arrows, and then the minute. Once we're happy, we can cycle back through, just using the back arrow here. Once you're happy everything's set as you'd like, there's a quick push of the Eco button to take you back to the main settings menu, and then you can either go on and set the Eco times to your preference, or you can just push the Eco button. That will take you back to the main temperature display.